DJI's most recent leak came from trusted leaker Igor Bogdanov, who shared a confidentiality agreement document on X, formerly Twitter, referencing the Osmo Pocket 4. While the document didn't contain actual images of the camera itself, it provided critical insight into its dimensions and physical characteristics. According to Bogdanov's findings, the new Osmo Pocket 4 will be around 3.5 mm thinner, 4 mm narrower, and 5 mm taller than the current Osmo Pocket 3. These may seem like minor adjustments, but together they suggest DJI is refining the form factor for a more ergonomic and balanced feel in hand. Interestingly, despite the slightly taller design, the camera will reportedly see a dramatic 35% reduction in weight, coming in at just 116 grams. That's a significant improvement for a device designed to be carried everywhere, especially for vloggers who record long sessions on the go. Another leaked image from the new camera has also circulated online, comparing the Osmo Pocket 3 and Osmo Pocket 4 side by side. This visual comparison confirms that the new device will indeed have a more elongated and streamlined profile. It appears that DJI has opted for a narrower and lighter chassis, likely to improve grip comfort and make one-handed shooting easier. The reduced width may also contribute to better stabilization performance, since the gimbal system could potentially handle movement more efficiently with a lighter structure. This evolution in design shows DJI's continuous effort to refine usability without compromising on build quality or camera performance. However, the Osmo Pocket 4's rumored upgrades go far beyond just design tweaks. According to multiple reports, DJI is expected to introduce a dual camera setup for the first time in the Pocket series. This marks a major leap in imaging versatility, as the Osmo Pocket line has traditionally relied on a single sensor and lens. The inclusion of two cameras could allow creators to seamlessly switch between different focal lengths, such as wide-angle and standard perspectives, or even enhance low-light and HDR capabilities by combining image data from both sensors. One of these new cameras is said to be built around the OmniVision OV50R40 sensor, a component that OmniVision announced earlier this month. This particular sensor is known for its high efficiency and advanced image processing capabilities, including superior dynamic range and better low-light performance. If this rumor holds true, the Osmo Pocket 4 could deliver sharper, more vibrant images, as well as improved video quality in challenging lighting conditions. Such a move would align perfectly with DJI's goal of positioning the Pocket line as the ultimate all-in-one solution for mobile creators. Perhaps just as noteworthy is the fact that DJI will reportedly retain the rotating viewfinder seen in the Osmo Pocket 3. This rotating display became one of the previous model's standout features, allowing users to switch seamlessly between selfie and landscape modes. Keeping this element intact suggests that DJI recognizes how vital this flexibility is for vloggers, especially those who film both themselves and their surroundings in quick succession. However, the leaked information indicates that the area where the Osmo branding previously appeared on the Pocket 3 will now be replaced with a new set of physical hardware buttons. At the moment, the exact function of these buttons remains uncertain, but speculation points towards zoom control. This would make sense, especially if the camera now supports optical or hybrid zoom capabilities thanks to the rumored dual camera configuration. If true, these buttons would provide faster, more tactile control over framing and composition, which is especially useful when filming in dynamic environments where quick adjustments are necessary. Publications like The New Camera have hinted that the Osmo Pocket 4 may indeed feature superior zoom capabilities, allowing creators to achieve closer shots without sacrificing image quality. The combination of improved optics, lighter construction, and enhanced ergonomics positions the Osmo Pocket 4 as a highly refined evolution of the series. DJI seems to be taking feedback from the Osmo Pocket 3's user base seriously. While the previous model was praised for its outstanding stabilization and image quality, some users wished for better flexibility in focal lengths, quicker manual control, and reduced weight for extended handheld use. The rumored upgrades directly address these areas, signaling that DJI has listened closely to its community. What's particularly interesting is how the company appears to be balancing innovation with familiarity. By keeping the same overall design language and signature features like the gimbal-mounted camera and rotating viewfinder, DJI ensures existing users won't feel alienated. Yet by introducing a dual camera system and optimizing portability, it opens up new possibilities for creative expression. For travel vloggers, in particular, a lighter device that can capture both wide landscapes and close-up details without lens swapping could be a game-changer. Another important factor to consider is how DJI might enhance the Osmo Pocket 4's software and stabilization algorithms. While no concrete leaks have surfaced regarding internal processing, it's reasonable to expect a next-generation image processor capable of handling higher frame rates and resolutions. Given DJI's recent track record with their drones and action cameras, it wouldn't be surprising if the Osmo Pocket 4 supported 4K or even 5.7K video recording, alongside features like active track improvements, better HDR, and potentially AI-assisted framing. With the growing influence of artificial intelligence in portable cameras, DJI could also integrate smarter auto exposure and scene recognition systems to make content creation even more seamless. The 35% weight reduction also raises intriguing questions about the internal components. A lighter design could mean a more compact battery, but DJI has a strong reputation for optimizing power efficiency. It's possible that the company has developed a new, more energy-dense battery module or refined the gimbal motor design to cut down on unnecessary bulk. If this optimization doesn't compromise battery life, users could enjoy both longer shooting sessions and greater comfort in handling. At this point, it's worth emphasizing that despite the wealth of information available, DJI has not officially confirmed the Osmo Pocket 4's existence or release date. However, the credibility of the leaks, especially those tied to well-known insiders like Igor Bogdanov, suggests that development is well underway. Considering the typical release cycle and DJI's recent product activity, many expect the Osmo Pocket 4 to debut in the near future, possibly alongside other creator-focused devices. In summary, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 looks poised to redefine what's possible in the compact vlogging camera space. From a slimmer, lighter body to a rumored dual-camera system featuring the OmniVision OV50R40 sensor, it seems to combine practical usability with meaningful technological advancement. Retaining the rotating viewfinder ensures ease of use, while new hardware buttons hint at greater manual control. If these rumors prove accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 will likely appeal to both seasoned filmmakers and casual content creators who want a device that fits easily in their pocket yet delivers professional-grade footage. As we await DJI's official unveiling, anticipation continues to build across the creator community. The leaks have set high expectations, and if DJI follows through, the Osmo Pocket 4 could easily become the most versatile and portable vlogging camera of its generation. A true companion for anyone looking to tell stories through smooth, cinematic, and effortlessly captured moments.